Hari Om to everyone else. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhit Tamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Guru Paramparaya Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram. Harihi Om. Today we will learn first Mahishashur Mardini Stotram. May I see all of your face? Yes. Sangeeta, you were off for last class. What happened?
मैंने मैसेज नहीं देखा था, मुझे लगा क्लास स्टार्ट नहीं हुई अभी.
Oh, okay. So, have you watched it in YouTube afterwards?
Yes.
That is the main thing. I was thinking whether everything is okay or not. Thank you. May God bless everyone else. Sabka bhala ho. Mahishashur Mardini Stotram. Are you enjoying it? Yes. So, last class we learned 3 slokas. So, those 3 slokas we will learn together. Sandhya ji, Nikita has come. Okay. Good. So, first 3 sloka. And Shan, you can also try, because Mahishashur Mardini Stotram I have posted in English also. So by seeing the script, you can also try it to chant. It will be better for you. You can enjoy them. See the transliteration, the script. It's wonderful. Okay. Let's start. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandanute. In some book it is Nandinute, some books it is Nandanute. Both are correct. Okay. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandinute Girivara Vindhya Shirodhini Vasini Girivara Vindhya Shirodhini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute Bhagavati Heshiti Kantha Kutumbini भगवती हेशिति कंठ कुटुंबिनी भूरि कुटुंबिनी भूरि कृते भूरि कुटुंबिनी भूरि कृते together जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Wonderful, na? So beautiful tune. And we are getting a lot of time, you know. So we should remember this, try to memorize this thing before Navaratri comes. It will be our target. And it is so wonderful tune. It's very easy. And from our childhood, you know, we like to work in force, in pressure. So generate a pressure on your own that I have to, this is my homework. Every day I will try to chant 3 in front of our teacher without sin. So fix this target. Then memorizing will be wonderful. Okay. Second one. सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवन त्रिभुवन पोषिणि त्रिभुवन त्रिभुवन पोषिणि शंकर तोषिणि त्रिभुवन त्रिभुवन पोषिणि शंकर तोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते तनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदर्शोषिणि सिन्धुसुते. Once again. तनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते. जय 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 हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Third one. अयि जगदम्ब मदम्ब अयि जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब. Once again. अयि जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनप्रियवासिनि हासरते वनप्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शिखरि शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंगनिजालय मध्यगते. तुंग हिमाल शृंगनिजालय मध्यगते. Then मधु मधुरे मधु मधु मधुरे मधु कैटभगंजिनि कैटभभंजिनि कैटभगंजिनी कैटभभंजिनी रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. So 3 we will chant together, okay? ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अयि जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वन प्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंग निजालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधुकैटभगंजिनि कैटभभंजिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Now fourth one. ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डित ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डित रुण्ड up to that ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डित रुण्ड वितुण्डित शुण्ड गजाधिपते वितुण्डित शुण्ड गजाधिपते रिपुगज गंड विदारण चंड रिपुगज गंड विदारण चंड पराक्रम शुंड मृगाधिपते पराक्रम शुंड मृगाधिपते जय जय sorry निज भुज दंड निपातित चंड निज भुज दंड निपातित चंड विघातित मुंड भटाधिपते विघातित मुंड भटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Clear? So together ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डित रुण्ड वितुण्डित शुण्ड गजाधिपते रिपु गज गंड विदारण चंड पराक्रम शुंड मृगाधिपते निज भुज दंड निपातित चंड विघातित मुंड भटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Any problem, any doubt here? Okay. The fifth one.
Swamiji,
Yes.
I have got written over here in this third line, Nija Bhuja Danda Nipatita Khanda
Who is speaking? I can't
Sandhya.
see.
Sandhya.
Oh, okay.
Nija Bhuja Danda Nipatita Khanda. After that it is Nipatita Manda.
No, no. Nija bhuja danda nipatita chanda.
Acha.
Just a minute. Wait for a moment. In what? Nija bhuja danda nipatita khanda is, in some book it is khanda. In some book it is khanda.
Then what will be pronounced, Swamiji?
Khanda?
Khanda.
Yes, yes.
After that, it's Munda or Manda?
Munda.
Munda.
Munda bhatadhipate.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, some, it is the tradition from thousands of years. So sometimes akar ukar has been changed while meaning is the same. Yes. So, Aishata khanda vikhandita runda vitundita shunda gajadhipate ripu gaja ganda vidarana chanda parakrama shunda mrigadhipate निज भुज दंड निपातित खंड विघातित मुंड भटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. So Suchitra ji, Purva Devi, if you please on your video. I want to see the face. Jetli ji, Ghosh Babu, Shudha Amma.
स्वामी जी, ये
Yes.
आपने भेजा है क्या? महिषासुर मर्दिनी स्तोत्र आपने भेजा है पीडीएफ? मुझे नहीं मिला.
अरे मैं किसी को पर्सनली नहीं भेजा.
नहीं, मैं किसमें भेजा है?
ग्रुप में.
चिन्मय मिशन ग्रुप में.
No. I have that Vedic chanting group is over there. You are not over there?
No, I don't think I'm there.
Okay. Then I will send you personally and I will add you in that group.
Please.
Yes.
I was looking for that crowd.
Sent it in Bengali, in Hindi, in English. Not me, our here students.
Send me in Hindi only.
No, three are there. Three I will
Okay.
give whatever is there. And Dimika worked hard for that. Mm, yes. In maximum book, it is Khanda, not Chanda. So it should be Khanda. Okay. But Vipatita Munda Bhattadipate, because Munda means the head. So when cut the head, the Devi, the goddess, is fighting with the Mahishasura with various forms. So cutting and falling the heads, all those things are over here depicted. Okay.
It is not in Durga Saptasati. It is not there.
No.
Oh, I was having this.
Hello. In book of hymns it is Chanda.
Yes. Yes. Only in Chinmay Mission book it is Chanda, but all other publication I am just seeing it. I consulted 4 books. It is Chanda. So we will go for the majority. Purvaji, if it is possible, please open up your video. Yes. Then, fifth one. Airana Durmada. Airana Durmada. Shatruvadhodita. Satruvadhodita. Durdhara Nirjara Shakti Bhrite. Durdhara Nirjara Shakti Bhrite. Chatura Vichara. Chatura Vichara. Dhurina Mahashiva. Dhurina Mahashiva. Dutakrita Pramathadhipate. Dutakrita. Here you please pay attention. Pramatha, pra is conjunct consonant. So ta is there. So pa will be doubled. Okay. So it will be Duta Krit Shiva Duta Krita. Sorry. Chatura Vichara Dhurina Mahashiva Duta Krita Duta Pramathadhipate. Durita Duriha Durashaya Durmati. Durita Duriha Durashaya Durmati. Danavaduta Kritantamate. Danavaduta Kritantamate. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute. It's a very nice tongue twister, like in English it is there, Betty butter bought some butter, but the beater butters butter. Or she sells seashells on the seashore. Like that. Just see. Okay. But so beautiful, just see. like dancing, you know. Chant together the fifth one. Airana durmada shatru adhodita durdhara nirjara shakti prite. Once again. Airana durmada shatru adhodita durdhara nirjara shakti prite. चतुरविचारधुरीण महाशिवदूतकृतप्रमथाधिपते दुरितदुरीह दुराशय दुर्मतिदानवधूतकृतान्तमते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि Ramyakapardini Shailasute. So you have to, when you will chant by your own, repeatedly, and follow this tune, you know. Airana Durmada Shatru Vadhodita Durdhara Nirjara Shakti Brite. Then only you can memorize. Other than it's not possible. Tune is there to facilitate our memorization. Okay, the sixth mantra. Aisharanagata, Aisharanagata, Vairivadhuvara, Vairivadhuvara, Veeravarabhaya, Daikare, Daikare, Tribhuvanamastaka, Tribhuvanamastaka, Shulavirodhi Shirodhi Krita, Shulavirodhi Shirodhi Krita, Malashula Kare, Malashura Kare. Actually not Mala, it is Amala. But for chanting sake, we are learning in that way. Mala and Amala completely is different. Okay. So how it will be chanted together? Tribhuvana mastaka shula virodhi shirodhi kritamala shula kare. Don't give pause before Mala. Mala means with darts. Amala means completely pure and clear. So if you break it, if you give pause, the meaning will be abruptly different. Okay? Then, Dumi Dumi Tamara, Dumi Dumi Tamara, Dundubhinad, Dundubhinad, Maho Mukhari Kritanigma Kare, Maho Mukhari Kritanigma Kare, Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini, Ramyakapardini Shailasute. Wonderful, na? So today up to that, I have thought in that way from next class onwards, one class will be of Gita and another class will be only on Mahishasura Mardini before Navaratri we have to complete it. At least before Navami.
It is slok number 8 in Book of Hymns.
Impossible. Because
I have a Book of Hymns, and this is the slok number 8 in Books of Hymns.
maybe your old version. I am teaching from Book of Hymns and this is sloka number 6.
Anyway, it is written in slok number 8 in my book.
So you have to adjust because this is new edition, completely new edition. So that is the purpose of new edition, that if there is anything mistakes in the old edition, they correct it. So this is the corrected version. So in one day there will be Gita and one day there will be Mahishasura Mardini, and we will try to learn, we must learn Durga Suktam. Okay. And we will adjust in 2 classes. Little. It is in Mantra Puspam and Durga Suktam. Who will do Xerox of it? I will tell you the page number in Mantra Puspam. 409 Mantra Puspam. So Usha Amma, who are having the PDF of Mantra Puspam, please add 16. Means 4. Hey Nikita, do you can run a business? 409 and 16.
425, Swamiji.
Yes, 4 to 5, page number 4 to 5. Yes. So that we will balance. Every day we will learn 2 lines. So before Navaratri and Durga Puja, we will be ready with Mahishasura Mardini and Durga Suktam. Okay. Durga Suktam and Mahishasura Mardini should be chanted frequently in Navaratri time. Okay. Today we will learn Vedic chanting and we will finish the Shanti Mantra portion. And today you know what we will learn? Do you know? If you don't know, then what should I teach you? Don't you know really what mantra is remaining? You know, one teacher who doesn't want to teach went to the classroom. So do you know what I'm going to teach? Then the students told no. He told, what is the use of teaching you when you don't know what to teach? Really don't you know? Then everybody raised their hand. Yes, we know. Then he told, okay, whoever knows, please teach whoever doesn't know. I'm going. So today we will learn Purna Madhav. That every day we chant and we will learn it now. Very simple mantra. This is called Dasa Shanti Mantra set. You know, wherever you will go. If you are invited to any friend's house, any student's house, any auspicious occasion happens at your home or any places. Even if you go to any obituary also, condolence place, please chant these 10 Shanti mantras. Okay, this is very much required. Om Purnamadah. Om Purnamadah. Madaf, not Madaha. Jetli ji, every time same mistake you commit. Not from today. Madaha is written, but after Visarga there is Pa. So Visarga's pronunciation will be Pa. Okay? Purna Madaf. Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti. Not Santihi or Santi. 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 Please don't, at least after attaining these classes, please don't make this sort of mistake. It is Shantis. 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 Okay. Because Visarga is following Shakara. So Visarga's pronunciation will be as Shakara. Shantish. Shantish. Shanti. He. Because when Visarga will be at the end of the sentence, then Visarga's pronunciation will be Ha, and that Ha will be pronounced according to the vowel preceding. So here Shanti, Ikara is there, so it will be He. Shanti, He. But at the end, but in between two, Shantish, Shantish, Shanti, He. Okay, clear? Anyone has any doubt regarding this? Okay, so let's start. Om Purnamadah. Om Purnamadah. Purnamidam. Purnamidam. Purnat Purnamudachyate. Purnat Purnamudachyate. Purnasya Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Purnameva Vasishyate. One important thing I just want to remind you, that in many programs ends with this mantra, and especially any spiritual program, Vedic spiritual program. Our talk session ends with that. And you may attend a lot of acharyas classes, I don't know. And you will hear the Purnamadam, they are not chanting in a Vedic manner. Please don't try to change any other else, okay? Don't tell them, hey, you are wrong, I am right. Please, it's my request. You will chant in your own way. If anyone wants to learn, if anyone loves it, then you can tell them. But please don't tell that you are wrong, because everyone is having with the balloon of ego, you know. Everyone thinks that their clock is right. Even I as a person may think so, but I as a teacher not. Because what about it is written in Veda, I am teaching you. Veda is right. Its intonation is right. I as a person may be full of wrong, but Veda is never. Okay? So learn it. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Harihi Om Om. I hope everyone clearly understood it. Please practice those Dasha Shanti mantra every day after getting up. If you do Dasha Shanti mantras, you will feel the change inside. And if you chant in a proper Vedic manner, what I have taught you according to my capacity and what about I have learned from my gurus, you can feel the changes inside. And it takes only 10 minutes maybe when you are very frequent with it, 10 to 15 minutes. So to make 23 hours 45 minutes time the best, I think we can invest 15 minutes because the return is in a big amount. Okay. Hari Om Tat Sat. That's all for today. Again, we will start chanting on Friday. And the Bengali class we have started. Please tell people who can understand Bengali. This is Chinmay Mission Kolkata's first innovation. So those who ever understand Bengali, please join. And the word it is used over there by the teacher, it's understandable for all. Please try, no compulsion, but with the compassion. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om.